We all have heard of an apple a day keeps the doctor away 4 million times. But do you eat apples every day? Here are the health benefits of apple that you might not know about. Number 1, apple helps us to boost our immune system. Apples contain soluble fiber that changes pro-inflammatory immune cells into anti-inflammatory ones, which help us to fight off infections and recover much quicker. Number 2, apple helps us to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. The soluble fiber in apples can help in limiting cholesterol in blood vessels to avoid heart diseases and stroke. And even though apples are not a rich source of potassium, they contribute to relaxing blood vessels walls towards healthy blood pressure. Number 3, apple helps us to prevent free radical damage. It is rich in antioxidants that can help our body to prevent cell damage caused by free radicals, and may help prevent all sorts of cancers, heart diseases, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. Number 4, apple promotes gut health. There is a type of fiber called pectin found in apples that acts as a prebiotic which feeds our good bacteria in the colon. And it benefits our regular bowel movements and increases immunity. So why don't we eat apples so that we can feed our beloved good bacteria some pectin to keep our gut healthy? Number 5, apples help in controlling weight. Apples have a low calorie density, meaning they are mostly water. The high water content paired with high fiber content helps us to feel full, which we will feel less likely to overeat. If you want to lose weight, it is a great tip to eat apples regularly. That's all for the top 5 health benefits of apples. Just to let you know, if you feel bored of eating the same apple every day, you can try out different recipes like apple smoothie, apple crisp, and lots more. Ask you a question: are there any benefits of apples are not mentioned in this video? Please leave a comment below. If you think today's video is helpful, please do subscribe to our channel, so you won't miss out on any of our videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.